Most travelers unknowingly lose hundreds every year at the airport, but today, I'm going to reveal 12 secrets airlines hope you never discover. These aren't your typical tips like bring a neck pillow or arrive early. We're talking about real insider hacks that can save you money, time, and a ton of stress. From hidden perks and security shortcuts to booking tricks and travel strategies that only seasoned travelers know, this video is packed with information that will change the way you fly forever. So, if you hate waiting in long lines, dealing with lost luggage, or paying way too much for flights, this video is definitely for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take control of your airport experience and travel smarter in 2025. Let's dive in. 1. How to access airport lounges for free. First up, let's talk about airport lounges. If you've ever been stuck at your gate, crammed between chairs, surrounded by noisy travelers, you know how exhausting airports can be. But here's the secret. You don't have to fly business class to enjoy a lounge. Many travelers don't realize that certain credit cards, loyalty perks, and day passes can give you free access to lounges around the world. Some cards automatically grant entry, while airlines often allow a one-time guest pass. Even if you're flying economy, this can be a game changer. Imagine walking into a lounge, grabbing a snack or a coffee, charging your devices, and relaxing in a quiet space while other passengers are stuck in crowded terminals. That's not just comfort, it's smart travel. And the best part? You don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy it. So next time you're flying, check your credit card benefits or loyalty program. There's a good chance you qualify for free lounge access, and it can make a huge difference in how you start your trip. 2. Beat TSA lines with these insider security shortcuts. Next, let's tackle one of the biggest frustrations at airports: long security lines. Waiting forever to get through TSA is something almost every traveler dreads. But there are ways to skip most of the line and get to your gate faster. First, programs like TSA PreCheck and Clear can save you enormous amounts of time. With TSA PreCheck, you can leave your shoes on, keep your laptop in your bag, and breeze through security. Clear uses biometric scanning to get you to the front of the line instantly. Another insider tip is smart carry-on packing. Keep liquids in a clear, approved quart-sized bag, and avoid packing prohibited items in your bag. Simple adjustments like these can prevent delays and frustration. The result? You skip the stress and reach your gate faster than 90% of travelers, giving you more time to relax, grab a bite, or even do a little shopping before your flight. Mastering these shortcuts is one of the easiest ways to make air travel significantly smoother in 2025. 3. Never lose luggage again. Smart packing secrets. Now let's talk about something that can turn a dream vacation into a total nightmare: lost or delayed baggage. Nothing is more frustrating than arriving at your destination and realizing your luggage didn't make it. But the good news? There are simple strategies to avoid this. First, always tag your luggage clearly, both inside and outside, with your name, phone number, and email. Wrapping your luggage or using distinctive straps can also make it easier to identify on the carousel and deter theft. Another smart tip is to pack strategically with carry-on items. For essentials like medications, electronics, or a change of clothes, always keep them with you. Also, consider using collapsible luggage. It not only adapts to airline size limits but can prevent surprise oversize fees if you switch carriers mid-trip. By following these smart packing and tagging strategies, you protect your belongings and save time, stress, and potentially hundreds of dollars in lost luggage claims. 4. How to score cheaper flights every time. Next up, let's talk about one of the most valuable hacks for any traveler: scoring cheaper flights. Airlines would love for you to pay full price, but with a few insider tricks, you can save big. First, use flight comparison tools like Google Flights, Kayak, or Skyscanner to explore all your options. Don't just stick to one website. Prices can vary across platforms. Flexible dates are another game changer. Flying midweek, or at less popular times, can often save hundreds. Here's a tip that surprises many travelers: hidden booking windows. Airlines sometimes release lower fares at very specific times. Knowing when to book can make a huge difference. For example, booking a Tuesday or Wednesday flight several weeks in advance often results in better deals. Just imagine, this one simple trick could save you $200 or more on your next trip. That's money you can spend on experiences, dining, or shopping at your destination instead of giving it away to the airline. 5. Secret seat selection hacks for maximum comfort. Even if you've got a great deal on your flight, a bad seat can completely ruin your experience. But there are ways to ensure comfort without paying extra for premium seating. One of the easiest methods is to use Seat Guru or your airline's seating map before booking. These tools show you which seats have extra legroom, more recline, or are in quieter parts of the plane. Other considerations include safety and convenience. For example, seats closer to the wing tend to feel less turbulence, and all seats make it easier to get up without disturbing neighbors. Window seats are great for views and a place to lean, but they might limit mobility. By planning ahead and choosing your seat wisely, you can enjoy a more comfortable and enjoyable flight without spending extra money, making every journey significantly more pleasant. 6. The fastest way to board and grab overhead space. Boarding a plane can sometimes feel like a battle. Crowded aisles, overhead bins full of luggage, and passengers scrambling for space can turn the start of your trip into a stressful experience. But with a few insider strategies, you can board faster and secure overhead space with ease. First, consider your boarding strategy. If you have access to early boarding through your ticket, credit card, or airline elite status, use it. Even arriving at the gate slightly earlier than most economy passengers can give you a better chance to find space for your carry-on. Another tip is to pack strategically. Smaller, collapsible bags can slide easily into overhead bins, leaving room for larger items behind. And if you're traveling with a companion, place larger items first to ensure everyone's bags fit. By mastering these boarding hacks, you'll enjoy a stress-free start to your flight, keep your luggage close, and avoid the usual chaos of overhead bins. It's all about timing and planning ahead. 7. How frequent flyers get hidden benefits you didn't know. Next, let's explore a secret most travelers overlook: the hidden benefits of being a frequent flyer. Even if you don't fly often, knowing how loyalty programs work can save you money and unlock perks. Many people don't realize you can combine points, tier status, and promo codes to get upgrades, free checked bags, or lounge access. For example, some airlines allow you to upgrade a seat for just a few points, far less than paying cash. Another tip: always check for special promotions or double point opportunities. Timing your bookings or purchases strategically can maximize your points without extra spending. By taking full advantage of loyalty programs and frequent flyer hacks, you can enjoy perks that most passengers miss, making your travel smoother, more comfortable, and often cheaper. 8. Navigate airports like a pro. Finally, let's talk about airport navigation. Large airports can be confusing, exhausting, and sometimes downright stressful, especially if you have a tight connection. But with a few insider tips, you can move through terminals like a pro. First, use airport apps and interactive maps. Many major airports now have apps showing shortcuts between gates, estimated walking times, and amenities like lounges or restrooms. Another strategy is to plan your route in advance. Identify your arrival and departure terminals, security checkpoints, and even the fastest walking paths. For connecting flights, know which shuttle or train to take, and avoid long detours. By mastering these airport navigation hacks, you'll save time, reduce stress, and arrive at your gate relaxed and prepared, turning what could be a chaotic experience into a smooth, efficient journey. 9. How to eat for less, or free. At airports, airport food has a reputation for being overpriced, and anyone who's grabbed a sandwich at the gate knows exactly why. But you don't have to empty your wallet to eat well while traveling. Here's a little-known secret: lounges, credit card perks, and discount apps can give you access to free or discounted meals. Many credit cards offer complimentary snacks or meal credits at participating airport restaurants. Even if you don't have a lounge membership, some lounges allow day passes for a small fee, giving you free food, drinks, and a comfortable place to relax. Imagine enjoying a fresh meal or a hot coffee for free, instead of paying $15, $20 for a tiny sandwich at the gate. By taking advantage of these perks, you can eat well without overspending and make your travel experience much more enjoyable. 10. Save money shopping at airports. Next, let's talk about airport shopping. Duty-free shops and airport boutiques can be tempting, but impulse buys can quickly drain your wallet. The key is to shop smart. Start by comparing prices before you buy. Many items, like perfumes or electronics, aren't always cheaper than your local store. Use cashback apps or credit card rewards when possible to save even more. And always know which products are overpriced. Sometimes the same items are available at lower prices online or at stores near your destination. By being strategic, you can enjoy duty-free shopping without falling for overpriced products. It's all about knowing what to buy, when to buy it, and how to maximize savings while traveling. 11. Turn flight delays into free perks. Flight delays are frustrating and can throw off your entire travel schedule. But with a few insider strategies, delays can sometimes work in your favor. First, know the airline's policies. If your flight is overbooked or delayed, politely ask if they can rebook you on an earlier flight, offer a free upgrade, or provide meal vouchers. Timing and tone are critical. Being polite but assertive often gets better results than complaining. For example, if a flight is delayed and the airline is looking to shuffle passengers, asking nicely could land you a seat in a better class for no extra cost. With these strategies, you can minimize inconvenience, maximize comfort, and even turn a delay into a perk, rather than a headache. 12. Discover quiet and comfortable airport zones. Airports can be noisy, crowded, and just plain exhausting. But here's a little secret: not all areas of the airport are created equal. With a few insider strategies, you can find quiet, comfortable zones to recharge before your flight. Look for hidden seating areas, dedicated rest zones, or underutilized lounges. Many airports now have spaces with comfortable chairs, charging stations, and even nap pods, perfect for relaxing before takeoff. Even a short break in a peaceful spot can make a huge difference in your energy and mood for the journey ahead. By identifying these quiet zones, you can arrive at your gate refreshed, calm, and ready to enjoy your flight, turning a stressful airport experience into a relaxing one. Bonus hack: compassion upgrades for seniors and travelers in need. And here's a bonus hack that airlines rarely advertise: compassion upgrades. Upgrades usually come with a high price tag, but under certain circumstances, you can sometimes get a free or discounted upgrade just by asking politely. This works especially well for seniors, travelers with mobility challenges, or anyone facing a long-haul flight. Politely explaining your situation to the gate or check-in staff can sometimes result in extra legroom, a better seat, or even business class. It's all about being courteous, clear, and confident. This simple strategy can transform a cramped, uncomfortable flight into a comfortable and relaxing journey, without paying extra. And there you have it, 13 airport secrets plus a bonus hack that airlines hope you never discover. From hidden lounges and TSA shortcuts to packing strategies, cheap flights, and even compassion upgrades, these tips will make your travel smoother, more comfortable, and more cost-effective. Now it's your turn. Which of these hacks are you going to try on your next flight? Comment below, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel secrets and insider tips. And stay tuned, because in our next video, we'll reveal 10 more airline tricks most passengers don't know, giving you even more ways to save time, money, and stress while traveling. Safe travels.